Now, let's take a look at ribose for a moment. Ribose is an incredible nutrient. It basically, if you take a look at ATP, NADH, FADH, most of the energy molecules have ribose as a backbone. And so most of them have ribose, a B vitamin or phosphates, well, they all have phosphates, and then they have adenine, which, if you're not familiar with adenine, it used to be called vitamin B4. Ever notice there's B1, B2, B3, B5, B6? I used to wonder, where the hell did B4 go? And it was adenine, and they found out the body had so much of it that they devitaminized it. But it's a critical part of nutrition. So the ribose, critical part of energy molecules like ATP and also DNA and RNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid, ribonucleic acid. In energy deficient states, the body has trouble holding on to enough ribose. Ribose is not found in the diet. It's made in the body via the pentose phosphate shunt. It's a slow process to rebuild. And I was wondering if ribose deficiency might be an important part of the energy crisis in CFS and fibromyalgia. So I went ahead and did an initial study. We took 41 people with fibromyalgia or CFS, and we had them take some ribose, 5 grams 3 times a day for 3 weeks. And what we found was that energy went up an average of 45%, sleep improved, mental clarity improved, pain went down, overall well-being increased by 30%. And I said, that's interesting. So I went ahead and did a larger study. This was 257 people with CFS and fibromyalgia. It was done at 53 health centers. And what we found, we gave ribose 1 scoop or 5 grams 3 times a day, and it was for 3 weeks. And what we found for these same 5 parameters just kept going straight up. Energy level increased an average of 61%. Sleep improved, mental clarity improved, pain went down, overall well-being increased 37%. And ribose, it ends in ose, is a sugar. It looks and tastes like sugar, so it's really easy. Do not have people take capsules of ribose. It's stupid. It's a sugar. Have them put it in their cereal or food, their tea. Just a scoop twice a day for most people is fine. For anybody with heart disease, you're going to see that this recipe I've talked about here, the ribose, CoQ10, acetylcarnitine, these are magnesium B vitamins. Sounds amazingly like how you treat heart failure, because both are an energy crisis. Both respond to increasing energy production. So when do I use ribose? Anybody with fatigue, pain, heart disease. For most people, I'll give a loading dose of 5 grams 3 times a day for 3 weeks, and then I'll drop it to twice a day. And I tell people, don't worry if they miss one of the doses during the day. Personally, what I do each morning for energy, a scoop of the vitamin powder, 1 scoop of ribose. You'll find that it really leaves you feeling a lot better. Main side effect, about 5% of people get over-energized or hyper. Just lower the dose and give it with food.